Hi, I'm Matt Johnson, Operations Manager, Sapphire Utility Solutions. We're here today in Fulford. We intend to install 1 kilometre of a UV liner, 525mm, as part of the storm spill reduction programme for our client Yorkshire Water.
Hello, I'm James Allen, Project Manager for Sapphire Utility Solution at Fulford. We've carried out enabling works with our approved supply chain to lay down 1.3 kilometres worth of track matting with vegetation clearance for the works for the jetting and lining enabling. Now with phase 1 complete with enabling works, we have now set up the flow controls with temporary bridges being put in over watercourses. With this we have now got flow control set up with over 300 metres worth of overpumping to support with us to then carry out a lining works.
We've now reached the 5-week point. We have successfully cleaned and installed our first liner, ready for phase 2. Please wait out for more.